And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be.